Sleep, very important part of our daily life. Besides rest, sleep serves a very important function of consolidating our memory, emotional processing, restoring immunity, regenerating our body cells, and helping all the organ systems to get ready for the next day. Insomnia or sleeplessness is an extremely common and disturbing problem affecting many of us. Sleeping pills are not the only solution to insomnia. If at all you need sedatives, please seek professional help and let your doctors prescribe them. Do not get them from the pharmacy. Besides, maintain proper sleep hygiene and incorporate lifestyle changes, having a proper time to sleep and waking up, not to engage in alcohol, carbonated drinks, and caffeine before bedtime, having a regular sleeping and waking schedule, avoiding daytime naps, and sleeping at a stretch only during night are very useful ways to maintain sleep hygiene. This World Sleep Day, the theme is Sleep is Essential for Health. So let's incorporate a healthy lifestyle for sleeping well and for restful nights. Take care. Best wishes.